Hey guys, today I'm going to bring you a Homefront unboxing. I went to Game and they did a deal. If you trade in Killzone 3, you get Homefront for $9.99. So I went there and traded in Killzone 2 and Resistance 2 as well. So I got it for $1.99. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. I'm going to do the unboxing for you guys. There's the front. Get the side, which is pretty cool, and then you get the back. You get all the weapons stuff, 32 players online, and you get the extra stuff if you get the limited edition one, I think. I don't know if this is the limited edition, I haven't even opened it yet, so I wouldn't know. But let's get to the unboxing. That's cool, that sticker's still on there, which is pretty cool. I'll probably take it off in a minute. Oh, so first, that's what you get inside. I think that's your manual and the disc. So let's have a look at the manual. There's codes, more codes. So, typical black and white manual. It's pretty cool. Not. And then you've got the Homefront disc. Quite a nice disc actually. Pretty decent. And then you get like a battle thing. It's like battle code. It's for the multiplayer basically. It's like an online pass, like they're doing for EA. So I think THQ are doing that now as well. This allows you to go online. And because I think I got the limited edition, I got a multiplayer advanced unlock pack thing. So see if you can see that. You get the Scar L rifle, auto repair ability, and air recon drone, and also I got a shotgun exclusive code as well. So that's pretty cool. Oh, I'm definitely going to be bringing you some gameplay footage of this game, because people are saying it's not that great, but it is pretty decent. So yeah, just keep up to date, and I shall see you guys soon. Bye.